Hello everyone, State Representative Brad Klippert here, talking to you from Olympia. We have completed the third week of the 2017 legislative session. There are some big issues to tackle during this 105-day session, including finalizing the requirements to fully fund education, passing a 2-year balanced operating, capital, and transportation budget, public safety and the current use of force statute, and mental health issues, to mention just a few. I'm confident we can accomplish these goals and adjourn on time. One of the issues important to me this session focuses on the right of our law enforcement officers to remain strongly protected in their decisions, actions, and overall duties. I would like to start by thanking each and every one of my fellow law enforcement brothers and sisters for going out in front of harm's way each and every day to keep their communities safe. Our state is up against several challenges as we work toward finding common ground in our current use of force statute. During the interim, the Washington State Joint Legislative Task Force on the Use of Deadly Force in Community Policing prepared their final report and recommendations on how we, as a state, should move forward with our current statute. As a law enforcement officer with over 23 years of experience, both in Eastern and Western Washington, I believe people need to have a better understanding of what their law enforcement officers go through each and every day. We put our uniform on, hug and kiss our families goodbye, and walk into the world as your protectors. We face split-second, life and death decisions routinely. We have to make these decisions to keep the public, our fellow officers, and ourselves safe. I don't know of a single law enforcement officer out there who has the intent or desire as they go into the field each day to hurt anyone unnecessarily. We always want to use the least amount of force necessary to overcome any resistance, but sometimes use of force is necessary. Our current law provides protection to law enforcement officers for criminal charges if they use deadly force. This protection falls under RCW 9A-16040, subpart 3, stating, "A public officer or peace officer shall not be held criminally liable for using deadly force without malice, and with a good faith belief that such act is justifiable pursuant to this section." House Bill 1529 would remove malice and in good faith from current statute. I am concerned about this change. Previous legislatures put malice into our law because they knew that law enforcement officers go out there every day facing very difficult challenges and need proper protection. This component of our statute makes Washington State unique by giving us the strongest protection for our valued and valuable law enforcement officers. For more information and highlights on what the House Public Safety Committee is tackling this session, please watch my interview with Committee Chairman Representative Roger Goodman on TVW's program, The Impact. My number one task and goal in the state legislature is to serve you, the citizens of Washington State. I encourage you to come to Olympia, visit us, sit in on committee hearings, and be part of your legislative process. Your opinion, concerns, and ideas are very important to me. It's an honor to serve you. God bless you. God bless your families, and may God always bless these wonderful United States of America. I wish for each and every one of you a wonderful Washington Day.